channel. I'm so sorry there's been a lack of videos around here. I've had a bit of a nightmare this week. So whilst I was filming another video for my channel, my camera fell clean off of the tripod and essentially killed itself off. I was completely gutted. So that has obviously put me back quite a bit, which is so annoying because I was on such a roll on my channel. So the video I was filming for you, I have continued to film that. I've been using my phone to record. And whilst I was getting my other camera ready to go to the repair shop, I remembered I had my old Canon and I didn't realise it still worked. So I am now back to filming on my old camera. So please bear with me. I have to get used to using this camera again. I don't even know what I'm going to look like in this video or what the quality is going to come out like, but I used to use this camera all of the time, so I'm sure it will be fine. I've just got to get used to it again. But thank you so much for joining me back with this video, which is going to be another Aldi food shop because I thoroughly enjoyed doing my last Aldi food shop. So again, to bring a little bit of context to this video, especially if you are new around here, then I am Julian and I am a mum of 6. So I have 6 kids and I live with my partner as well. So there's 8 of us living in this house and it is currently half-term week. So I have had to do this food shop to do a big stock up of snacks and things because I know I'm going to be eating out of house and home this week. If you know, you know. Half-term and holidays, your cupboards get absolutely ransacked. So I have done a big stock up to prepare for that, and because of that we've also needed a lot of lunch items this week. Normally my eldest daughter Alexa, she gets her lunch at school, and then my twin 7-year-olds, they normally have their school dinners for free at school. So on a normal week that is 3 out of 8 people having their lunches out of the house, which are now all at home. So I needed a lot more lunch stuff than I normally buy. And also this week I have gone back through our freezer and through our cupboards to see if there is a few items in there that we can make meals with. I had some frozen chicken, so we're just gonna have some chicken with potatoes because we already have that, and we are also going to be doing chili because I have got some corn mince. So I've got a chili seasoning packet as well, so that's just going to be a really quick and easy meal for us to make. And then I have some other meals in my meal plan which I will show you as we go around the food shop, and I'll also put everything down in the description box down below. So all of our meals I've got for this week and all of our lunches that I have not planned out for this week, but like lunches that I can create out of the bits which I have bought. I'm not really sure what we're getting up to this week. I know we're going to Legoland on Friday, so we'll definitely pack a picnic for that. It's obviously Valentine's Day week as well, and I actually went to Lidl earlier in the week and bought quite a few of their Valentine's pizzas and some really cute little Valentine's bits. So we were going to be having a special Valentine's tea on Tuesday. Before we start, I will show you my receipt again. So we ended up spending £140. I was hoping that we weren't going to spend too much, but with the added lunch stuff, and we have got a few extra bits, including these really pretty flowers down here. Yeah, the bill has crept up a little bit because of that. And then we also spent about £3 in Tesco's buying a few bits, which I'll explain as we also go through the food shop. I'm going to stop rambling. This is what we got for our food shop from Aldi, £440 for a family of 8. And I really hope that you enjoy this video. Right, so if there is any background noise in this video, I would apologise, but it is a Sunday and everyone is at home. But as always, I'm going to start on the big table over here. Then I have some bits over there to show you, and then I've got more bits over on the side behind me. So there's a lot to get through. Let's get started. I'll start over here with the breakfast bits I've got for the week. So first of all, we've got the fruit wheats raisins, we've got the wheat bisques, which is the Weetabix dupe, and then we also have got honey hoops here. And I mentioned this in my last food shop, but this also doubles up as a good snack to give the toddlers because I will mix it with some raisins to make some little trail mix and put it in a pot for them. And it's really easy for them to eat, and it's dry so it doesn't make too much mess. I normally get the plain hoops, like the Cheerios, but I've gone for the honey ones because these were on offer. I think they were like 4p cheaper. But one of our meals for the week is going to be a Nando's chicken pulled bun. So for that I needed some chicken, which I'm going to put in the slow cooker. It's a slow cooker recipe. And then I've got some ciabatta rolls to have it with, and I've also got some more rolls in our cupboard. Then we're going to put it in the slow cooker with some peri peri rub, some cream cheese. We also needed the Nando's marinade, but we picked up the wrong one. I got Aid to run into Tesco's quickly after we'd gone to Aldi, and he's picked up the wrong one. So I'm showing it in this food haul to say we've got it, but we do need to swap it out for the Nando's medium peri peri. Then you put in a tin of chopped tomatoes, which you already have in the cupboard. Mix it all up, and then once the chicken starts cooking, you can start pulling it apart. And then we're also going to have it with some halloumi inside the buns, and then we will probably have that with chips. Then over here, we already have some frozen chicken breasts in the freezer, and we also have some baby new potatoes. So what I picked up is this shake and bake quick and easy garlic and herb seasoning, which I'm hoping I can put onto the chicken. So once it's cooked a little bit, I'm just just going to rub this into the top, and I'm not sure if it's going to work or what it's going to do, because this is actually for a whole chicken. But yeah, I'm going to try it. I mean, I've got it anyway, and we're going to give it a go, and who knows what it's going to create. And then I also got some sweet potatoes, because as I mentioned, we've got some baby new potatoes, which me, Aid, and the kids will probably have, and then I'll probably give the babies some sweet potatoes because they absolutely love a sweet potato. Then as I'm filming this is actually Valentine's Day week, and I did buy 2 of these gnocchi heart packs. So we are going to have a cheesy tomato gnocchi for one of our dinners this week. We've got some chopped tomatoes, we've got more chopped tomatoes in the cupboard, cherry tomatoes and some mozzarella. We're also going to need basil. So that is going to create us a nice cheesy gnocchi to have this week, and that's quite easy to put into the oven. Some vegetable bits for the week. We've got 2 tender stem broccolis, we've got 2 normal broccolis, we've got some baby spinach. The baby spinach is actually going to go in the gnocchi as well. And then I also did pick up 2 bags of the wonky carrots, because we will have that for our meals, and we'll also have it for lunches and snacks. Also for the gnocchi, we have got the British light cheddar, and this will also be included in our lunches and things for the week. Then up here I also have some ingredients to make a Fakeaway Dominoes stuffed crust pizza, and it's supposed to be low calorie. So I'll actually put the recipe here, which I am going to be using from TikTok, which I found. It looks incredible. I can't wait. And because it's Valentine's Day week, again, I bought a lot of Valentine's heart-shaped pizzas from Lidl. Again, I'll put them on the screen for you to see. So the kids are going to be eating these wonderful heart-shaped pizzas. There's a little Valentine's tea bit of fun. And I am going to make these Fakeaway ones for me and Aid. And it's actually going to be a stuffed crust pizza. So what you do is you make the dough with self-raising flour and fat-free natural Greek yogurt. Then you have the light baby bells, which you will put in the stuffed crust, and any leftover we'll obviously just use for snacks for the week. I'm going to put red onion on the top, and I'm going to put sweet corn on the top. To make it really low calorie, she actually in the TikTok video uses the Skinny Food barbecue sauce, but we couldn't find that in Tesco's. So I might try and hunt that down in the week, and if not, we've just got this barbecue sauce as a spare. I mean, it will get used anyway. And then she uses Eat Lean cheese, but I found this cheese in Aldi, which is 65% less fat, high protein. I mean, I don't know what it's going to taste like. Let me know. Does this taste nice or not? I mean, I'm a bit scared, but we're going to try it. So hopefully this will create a nice Domino's effect stuffed crust pizza. I mean, it might taste like absolute crap, who knows. Then moving over here, these are a favorite from our last shop. So I picked up lots of the sticky teriyaki chicken thigh bites, and then since then we've also tried the sticky barbecue chicken thigh bites, and these are all incredible. They taste so nice. The only thing I will say is they're not very saucy, so bear that in mind. You might want to add a bit more teriyaki sauce or a bit more barbecue sauce to make it a bit more saucy, but we don't mind it as it is. And we've got 3 bags there, and I do actually mix the 2 together to just make it enough for our family. And then we'll eat that with rice, which we already have in the cupboard, and then some veggie bits. I did actually get a chorizo ring just because they last so long. I mean, this doesn't go out of date till the 23rd of April, so it's always good to have one of these in the fridge. And if there is a day where we really can't be bothered to cook, then it's so easy to cut up. Chuck in with some pasta sauce and some spinach into a pan and make a really easy pasta sauce, which is just really, really yummy. And then I've also got some 10 garlic bread slices, and this is going to go with our chili. So we have got some corn minced. I'm just going to make a really easy chili this week with some rice, and we're going to have some garlic bread slices with that. So I am moving on into lunchy bits now, and right over here we have got some reduced fat hummus, which I thought we could just have with some carrot sticks as a snack. 2 loaves of bread. So these are just the Aldi everyday essentials. We've got a medium white bread, and then we also have got a brown bread. So that will be for sandwiches, also with soup. So we've already got some soup in the cupboard. Then I've also got eggs here, so we're going to have scrambled eggs on toast. I bought some avocados down here. For my lunches, I'm going to be having avocados, eggs on toast. And then another lunch I'm planning on doing with the avocados is avocados with some halloumi on a bagel. So this is another meal inspired from TikTok, and it looks delicious, so I'm going to be doing that. I've got 2 packs of the bagel thins because they're just really easy for lunches, and then also the kids like having it as a snack with some soft cheese. Then we've also got some tortilla wraps, we've got some ham, chorizo slices because Aid really likes to have those for his lunch. We have got some wholemeal pittas. Again, we thought we could use this for the Nandos meal if we don't end up having enough rolls. And then I thought as well I was going to make some flatbread pizzas. So what I'm going to do is cut these in half, then I'm going to put some tomato puree on it, put it with some sweet corn, We could also have the chorizo slices on there as well. So that is another lunch option for us this week. I've got 2 more halloumis over here for lunches. Right at the back here, we have got another squash. So the kids have been loving having squash lately. It's not something I get all the time. I have started picking it up recently, and also they asked me to get some ice lollies. I thought they could make their own with some squash, and they really, really like doing that. And it's just another kind of really, really simple activity. So yeah, we're going to be making ice lollies with our squash. Then they have some of the Chew-Bit yogurts. We also have a massive fat-free natural yogurt, which I will mix with honey, and I will also mix with pouches like this and some chia seeds. Am I saying that right? Chia seeds? And that makes a really nice dessert for the babies. They love having that, so that's why I get a few of these pouches. Also, what I like to do is put some frozen fruit on top of my Greek yogurt with some honey and meringue nests, and I have been absolutely loving doing that lately. Back here we have some multi-grain rice cakes, and I saw someone on TikTok once again. Can you see where I'm getting all the inspiration for this food meal shop? She was eating a rice cake with a little bit of Biscoff spread, and I thought that seemed really nice and such a simple snack. Also, we can have the rice cakes with some peanut butter and apple on top. I got a couple more of the protein chocolate mousses. Absolutely love these. I haven't got as many as I got last week because Aid's actually not that keen on them anymore. He loved them the first week and then he kind of went off them. So those 2 are just for me. And then we've also got 4 of the protein yogurt pouches. As I mentioned, I like to buy the fruit pouches to mix in with yogurts for the babies, and I also mix this in with their ready brek in the mornings. So we have just apples with their ready brek, and we also have the strawberry and apple pouches down here. They do a pack of this in the pink, but they didn't have the pink berries one in there today, so just apples for them. Request from Lex. I honestly don't really like getting these for them anymore in the food shop because they're just quite expensive, but they requested them and the minis were available, so I picked up some of those. 2 bags of the choc chip cookie minis. We've got our box of the gravy biscuit. We've got 2 boxes of the dinos, so 1 in the strawberry flavour, 1 in the raspberry flavour, and these are the Yo-Yo Bear dupes. The kids really, really like those. And then down here we have got 2 packs of seal bars to go into the snack cupboard. So that is this table here. I will try and write down all of our lunch ideas and meals ideas in the description box down below if you're interested. Then over here I've got a big pack of nappies for our twin toddlers over there. They're in size 5, and then we've got the size 7 for our other daughter Amora. We've got some deodorant because Aid needed some deodorant this week. Then we've got our crisps. We've got the 30 pack of just Snack Right crisps, and then we've got the 10 pack of Melts biscuits due, 2 packs of wet wipes, and then we needed some wrapping foil. And then we are moving over onto our fruit and milk. Got 2 big greens. We've got a blue here for the toddlers, and then we have a red for me and Aid. Then we've got 2 apple juices because we use the apple juice for our smoothies, and then we've got 1 orange because the kids like having that with their breakfast. 2 bags of bananas, 1 grape, 2 lots of wonky blueberries. We've got the mini sweet peppers. They didn't have the big bag of peppers. They only had like the green and red, whereas the kids obviously like a bit of a sweeter pepper for their snacks. 3 bags of apples over here, 2 bags of the easy peeler oranges, 2 cucumbers. We were going to get the white monster, which we do have a bit of a habit of drinking the white monster, but we saw these, the Dark Thunder Zero Sugar, in Aldi, so we thought we would just give them a go to see what they're like. Then I got a couple packet biscuits, so I thought these would be really good if we're going to go on a couple of days out in the half term, just to chuck in the changing bag and have as a snack when we're out and about. So I've got the cookies and creams, and then I also got the jam and cream. Some more yogurts here for the babies. As you can see, they've already had 2 already since we've been home. Then just for the freezer this week, we have got some frozen strawberries. I will have these either with my Greek yogurt or in some smoothies. And then we've also got some French fries. And then a few extra bits which did bump up our food shopping, which I wouldn't normally buy every week, and this is why you don't take kids food shopping with you. But we did get a pack of the Mau Mau stripes, 2 packs of these bubblegum and raspberry mushrooms. As you can see, one's already gone and one's half gone. 2 bags of the All Sport fruit gummies. I think they're actually Aid's choice because he loves those. And then I also got a pack of flowers, but I couldn't resist, seeing as it's Valentine's week. How gorgeous were these flowers? £2.89, and I absolutely love them. I won't be singing it to you because I'm sure it will scar you, but in the words of Miley Cyrus, I can buy myself flowers, so there you go. That is my Valentine's treat from me to me. So that brings us to the end of this video and everything that I got from Aldi. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. I don't know why, but I have just become addicted to watching any food videos, like food TikToks, food shops on YouTube. I just love it all at the moment. Let me know if you'd like more of these videos and I'll be happy to do them for you. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye guys.